Is your Uber Eats card getting rejected, leaving you hungry and frustrated? Let's troubleshoot that right now. First, open the Uber Eats app and tap the account icon in the bottom right corner. Next, select Wallet. This is where you manage your payment methods. Carefully review the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Even a small mistake can cause a failed payment. Tap the card you wish to check. Verify the expiration date is up to date and has not passed. If it's expired, tap the card and update it immediately. Confirm the billing address matches the one associated with your card statement. Any mismatch can lead to rejection. Correct it if necessary. If all information is correct, try adding the card as a new payment method. This can sometimes resolve system glitches. Finally, contact your bank or credit card company to ensure there are no blocks or holds on your account. They may have flagged the transaction as suspicious. By following these steps, your card should now work without issue. Enjoy your Uber Eats order.